Welcome back to the channel, auto lovers. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting reveals. In recent automotive history, the Mazda RX-10. If you thought Mazda's iconic RX lineup ended with the RX-8, think again. The legend is back, and this time it's more futuristic, more powerful, and more emotional than ever before. So buckle up, because what you're about to see might just redefine your idea of what a true sports car can be. Just look at this design. The 2026 Mazda RX-10 is pure elegance and aggression combined. Every curve, every sharp line tells a story of motion and precision. From the thin LED taillights to the low, wide stance, this car doesn't just look fast, it looks alive. Mazda has taken their design philosophy to a whole new level, creating something that's both sculpted and soulful. The rear diffuser, the dual exhausts, and the iconic rotary-inspired badge at the center make sure. You know, this isn't just another sports car, it's a statement. Inside, the RX-10 is a perfect blend of technology and tradition. Mazda has always believed in the connection between driver and machine, something they call Jinba Ittai, horse and rider as one. The cockpit is built entirely around the driver. The steering, the seating position, the displays, everything feels precise and intentional. The materials are lightweight but premium, giving you that true race car feel while maintaining comfort and luxury. Now let's talk about performance, because that's what the RX badge has always been about. The 2026 Mazda RX-10 is rumored to feature Mazda's next-generation rotary-assisted hybrid powertrain. That means the iconic rotary engine makes a return, but this time with electric assistance for instant torque and cleaner efficiency. Together, they deliver an estimated 450 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km/h time of under 4 seconds. It's not just speed, it's sensation. The sound, the response, the balance. Everything about this car is designed to make you feel the drive. Mazda's engineers have focused on more than just numbers. They've focused on emotion. The RX-10 carries the spirit of the RX-7 and RX-8, but pushes it into the future. It's lighter, sharper, and smarter. The aerodynamic body and perfectly balanced chassis mean it's built to dance on corners and dominate the straights. Whether you're on the highway or the track, it promises an experience that few modern cars can match. The 2026 RX-10 isn't just a comeback, it's a rebirth. It proves that even in the age of electric silence, Mazda still believes in passion, noise, and the art of driving. So what do you think? Is the RX-10 the spiritual successor we've all been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. Until next time, keep driving, keep dreaming, and stay ready for the future of rotary power. Thanks.